welcome back to Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal, and I'm Pooja. And as you can see, I'm still cooking outside my kitchen. This is my backyard kitchen, but I love to cook here because it's in nature. So today I'm going to share with you an Indian recipe called Paneer BHURJI. It's almost like scrambled eggs without the eggs, and this is a homemade cheese which I actually have shown before too. So I'll write the link in there and also write the recipe of how to make paneer. But the recipe is scrambling the paneer with some potatoes, onions and ginger garlic with all the exotic Indian spices. So let me show you how. Now to start with, we have about like 2 tablespoons of oil in here. We've heated it, and now I'm going to add 1 bay leaf and 1 dry red chili. You can de-seed them to lessen the heat. And to it, I'm adding 1 cup of chopped onion. Actually, it's about a medium onion which is chopped. And then we'll cook it for a few minutes till it softens. So it has softened a little bit here. So now we are going to add 2 medium-sized potatoes which are cut into sticks just like this. This is for 6 people, so if you want to half the recipe, you can just add half the ingredients. So we'll again cook for a few minutes, and then we're going to add 1 teaspoonful of turmeric powder and cook again for a few minutes. Now we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste because you want to have a strong flavor of the ginger garlic paste. That's why I'm adding 2 tablespoons. We'll keep on cooking till the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone. And now we are adding the paneer or the homemade cottage cheese. This I made using like 3 liters of milk, and this is for 6 people. Again, if you want to half it, you can just half the ingredients. So we'll add it to the potato mixture, and when we are cooking, we'll mash the cheese or the paneer with the spoon, and then add salt as per your taste. And once we have added it, we'll cook it for a few minutes again and keep on mashing the cheese with the spoon. Now we are going to add about 1.5 cups of water, and then we are going to give it a stir and let it cook. Now you can see most of the paneers are like in a granulated form now. So we are going to take a cover and cover it and cook for a few minutes till the potatoes become softened. So you can see the potatoes have become softened now, and most of the water have reduced. So this is almost done. So we'll scrape the bottom so that all the goodness, we don't lose any. And we are adding a garam masala. So this is half a teaspoonful of cinnamon, half a teaspoonful of cardamom powder, and half a teaspoonful of clove powder. So we are going to sprinkle this on the paneer. We add it at the end so that the flavor retains. So just give it a stir. And it's done. So we'll just cover it and let it cool for a few minutes, then we're just going to serve. So here it is, and I'm just adding some slices of red chili and some cilantro. Just tear it with your hand and put it on top. You can serve this with your roti, naan, anything. So you can see how good this looks, and this is really yummy. This is, sometimes I feel it's better than scrambled eggs.
Here it is. Your paneer bhurji is ready to be served, or the Indian homemade cheese. It's so easy to make. You've seen, like, it takes few minutes to do it. Just make the cheese ahead and you can do it anytime, and you're going to enjoy it. And just eat it with a naan or a roti, or put it inside a tortilla and make it a wrap, and it's good to go. I'm sure you're going to love it and make it soon. So please do subscribe and like my YouTube channel, Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal. And don't forget to push the bell icon for further notifications whenever I post a new video. And keep on watching. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.